If you are here, it means you are in the right spot. Please subscribe and hit the bell button to get more ASMR videos. Welcome to your daily bright brainy dose. I'm Arya. Today we will talk about the top 32 ASMR triggers for reducing stress, anxiety, insomnia, and other issues. Nowadays, ASMR, or autonomous sensory meridian response, to use the more formal term, is widely used. People are undoubtedly always discussing their favorite triggers on social media. There are a ton of vloggers searching YouTube for the music that will make them happy. Look no farther if you're still trying to find that notorious tingling feeling. Here, we examine 32 of the most popular triggers and explain how and why they operate. Number 1. Sounds. These noises are frequently quiet and intended to provide you with the most soothing experience possible, just as they sound. Number 2. Whispers. According to a new research trust, quiet whispering, one of the most typical ASMR triggers, can induce sensations of peace and relaxation. Some claim that the straightforward sound, which consists of a person gently whispering into a microphone, can also help with sleep problems. Number 3. Blowing. The impact of blowing noises is comparable to that of whispering. This well-known ASMR trigger, which resembles a little breeze, might help you fall asleep. Number 4. Scratching. Scratching has the potential to be a contentious ASMR trigger. Despite being widely accepted, some people may not like it. On the other hand, if you enjoy the sound of someone scrubbing metal, plastic, or even their nails on a microphone, you're probably going to feel tingly and at ease. You could occasionally even feel elated. Number 5. Tapping. The ASMR triggers mentioned above are comparable to tapping. It often includes nails tapping on different surfaces, such as glass and wood, and it helps people relax. Number 6. Turning pages. According to a 2015 study, repetitive noises are among the top 5 triggers. Page turning most definitely fits within that heading. It has been said that reading newspapers, periodicals, and novels might help to reduce anxiety symptoms and make you feel really relaxed. Number 7. Writing. Strong tingling feelings can be induced by writing noises. Some claim that they can also put someone to sleep. ASMR video producers frequently use one of two tools, scratchy-sounding pens or gentler pencils. Number 8. Typing. You can fall asleep while typing ASMR or improve your ability to concentrate. Various keyboards are frequently used to produce a variety of sounds. The feelings may be intensified by acrylic nails. Number 9. Crinkling. Similar to turning pages, listening to the sounds of paper or plastic crinkling can make you feel relaxed and relieve tension. 10. Humming. Some people find the sound of someone humming annoying. Others see it as a lullaby at night. You'll need to determine which side of the argument you support. 11. Buzzing. Electric devices, like razors, frequently produce buzzing triggers. Some of these vibrating noises may be soft enough to be comforting. Some people are a little more combative. Of course, some people still find this to be calming. Number 12. Chewing. You either love them or you don't like chewing ASMR videos. This trigger shares some similarities with the Korean idea of mukbang, an interactive dining experience in which the diners video themselves devouring copious amounts of food and the viewers react. However, eating ASMR focuses more on mouth noises, whether they are loud and crunchy or soft and slurpy. Number 13. Sticky fingers. Has a soothing voice that is frequently enjoyable to hear. Sticky fingertips, as it sounds, ASMR is just that. People either glue their fingers to the microphone by placing them on adhesive materials like tape or by applying a liquid like honey. 14. Drops of water. The natural sound of water, whether it is only a few drops falling or bubbles popping, can be wonderfully soothing. In fact, if you leave it on all night, the National Sleep Foundation claims that it may even enhance the quality of your sleep. 15. Ticking clock. The brain finds the ticking of a clock to be fairly normal. This might be your ASMR trigger if you need help sleeping or studying. 16. A buzzing motor. Some individuals find comfort in the sound of a car's humming motor, while others become incredibly irritated by it. It's all about what you want to do. 17. Purring cat. Unusually calming is the sound of a cat purring. One of the prettiest ASMR triggers available, it can help you unwind and induce a good night's sleep. 18. Physical. Some individuals enjoy physical videos because they feel as though they are within the ASMR creator's video, intensifying the feelings. 19. Ear brushing. The ideal ASMR approach for ear brushing is to use makeup brushes. The noises may be quite comforting to hear, whether they come from a little eyeshadow brush, a bigger kabuki design, or even the bristles of a shaving brush. Number 20. Hair play. In real life, having your hair played with is calming, so it stands to reason that viewing and hearing it might elicit the same feeling. Numerous instruments, ranging from fingers moving through strands to the bristles of hairbrushes, are used in ASMR hair play. Massage. Number 21. Whether it's a thorough head massage or a back massage with oil, seeing someone rub another person might cause the characteristic ASMR tingles. 22. Situational. Have you ever discovered a place or hobby to be really relaxing? Videos of situational ASMR may be more your style. 23. Particular words. It's interesting to see that particular phrases might cause a drowsy ASMR reaction. Due to the soothing sounds they make, words beginning with the letters S, P, and K are frequently used and muttered. However, some phrases might bring back a pleasant recollection and elicit favorable emotions. 24. Personal attention. Personal attention ASMR videos can be useful for stress reduction and ensuring a restful night's sleep. The creator looks directly at the camera and puts their hands in front of it as if they were about to touch your face. They also have a calm, kind tone of voice. Number 25. Role-playing games. Roleplay ASMR entails taking the stage in a normally calming situation. You're on the correct track if you imagine a spa or hair salon. Some activities, nevertheless, take place in settings that are more specialized, like a spoof surgery or tattoo parlor. Whichever one you select, they are all intended to relieve tension. 26. Keeping eye contact. Long-lasting, direct eye contact that creates a sense of closeness and connection for the audience is the main ASMR trigger. 27. Visual. You don't have to listen to the sound to watch these videos. The picture is intended to elicit an ASMR reaction because of its strength. 28. Hand gestures. Many ASMR films combine hand motions with another trigger, such as whispering. However, a simple, moderate movement by itself can calm you and put you to sleep. 29. Observing someone focus. A tingling and relaxing ASMR reaction can be induced by watching someone draw or study. This is because they incorporate multiple typical triggers, such gentle speech and brushing sounds. Number 30. Color swatching. Color swatching ASMR is all about soft noises. With its emphasis on cosmetics, this one will appeal to beauty enthusiasts. Product reviews are only an added bonus. Number 31. Paint mixing. Watching paint mix may not be as monotonous as watching paint dry. That, however, is a different tale. In fact, it may even cause a relaxing, tingling sensation. And you might anticipate an even stronger reaction if whispers and soft sounds are included. Number 32. Light patterns. Although it is well known that some light sources can disrupt sleep, ASMR appears to counteract this impact by promoting relaxation. So, if you want to unwind at night without making any noise, consider viewing a light-up film. There is hardly any scientific evidence supporting the existence of ASMR. But many individuals report experiencing tingles down their spines and backs of their heads, as well as sensations of calm and tranquility, when they watch or listen to their particular triggers. One physician questioned in 2012 if ASMR would be a precursor to a brief joyful seizure. He also proposed the idea that some noises just serve to trigger the brain's pleasure response. Although the exact mechanism is unknown, some research has looked at the advantages of these self-reported sensations. A 2015 study that was published in PeerJ found that ASMR can temporarily lessen the symptoms of sadness and chronic pain. An updated research from a trusted source said that it was the first to demonstrate how ASMR affects one's emotions. Positive emotions and feelings of social connection significantly increased in participants who experienced ASMR. Additionally, they had noticeably lower heart rates. But for now, ASMR is still mostly a mystery. Can it be sexual? Depending on the individual. While some individuals might not find any of the aforementioned triggers to be sexual, others might find particular sounds and pictures to be sexy. Although the majority of ASMR YouTubers don't make their videos with sex in mind, it's natural to feel that way when viewing them. In a research done in 2015, 5% of the 475 participants admitted to watching ASMR films for sex. In a second research that was written up in the Empirical Musicology Review, sexual arousal was discovered to be a typical ASMR emotion. Anyone able to feel it? Please let us know what you think in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so that we may keep making them. Subscribe for more videos like this, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Also, make sure to check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.